Hey awesome tribe, I believe when you are watching this video, you are full of health and vitality. Because today on Gratitude Day 5, I am immensely grateful to this body. Today I am grateful to my body. I was thinking about the last year 2020 and I realized that 2020 was definitely a challenging year for everyone. And while so many people have lost their loved ones or fall sick, those of us who are full of health and vitality, we are blessed. We are blessed that we have a healthy body, we have good health. And that's why, like the old age wisdom, the greatest wealth is health. So, today I'm grateful to my body and I'm immensely grateful to every cells and tissues, every electrons and protons that is flowing in my body and that is keeping me healthy and energized so that I can have this life, so that I can do the things that I want to do, so that I can follow my dreams. And because of this body only, I am existing and I'm creating this positive impact at my purpose and passion of life. So same way, I want you to also be grateful to the body that you have. Your body is the vehicle that is giving you this physical experience in the spiritual life. So it's like the vehicle for our spirit. So be grateful to your body, and along with that, let me know in the comment whom or who you are grateful to today, or what you are grateful for, along with being grateful to your body and health. And if you love these daily gratitude videos, then let me know in the comment and share it with someone you love so that they will also start being grateful for the small and big things of their life. Be grateful, stay happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome Ajaya, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation.